In this video, I'm going to show you some options for plotting different types of curves in SoundCheck. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to combine static and live curves on the same graphs. This is useful, for example, for tuning applications or comparing a live curve to a target curve. Many of the curves we encounter, for example, the fundamental curve, are static. However, SoundCheck's multi-instrument spectrum analyzer and the RTA allow us to visualize live curves which change with time. You can see here, for example, if I play a sine tone on my signal generator, I can capture it with my microphone, and you can see the live FFT curve here. This green dot next to it here in the memory list indicates that it's a live curve. You can plot live and static curves separately or together. For example, if I want to add the static curve to this graph here with the live curve, all I need to do is drag and drop the fundamental curve from the memory list onto the graph. Similarly, I can also drag and drop live curves on an existing or a new display. You can also do calculations involving both static and live curves, including subtraction, addition, and power average, and you can also find maximums and minimums. Here, I'm going to add a new calculation module that subtracts two curves to find the difference between a live measurement and a target curve. On the RTA, I'll add a subtraction function. Then I'll select my live curve and my static curve. Now you can see my graph is showing the original RTA and the memory list static curve. And we also display a new calculated curve, which is the difference of the RTA and the static curve. There are other mathematical operations that can be implemented on static and live curves, for example, addition and power average, and these can even be used in test sequences. Check out the SoundCheck manual for more information.